Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. If you listen to live albums, classical music or any concept records where songs flow into each other, you know how jarring those tiny silences between tracks can be. So that's where Gapless Playback comes in. It eliminates the gap so one track transitions seamlessly into the next. So, does Amazon Music have Gapless Playback? The short answer is not exactly. Amazon Music does not offer true Gapless Playback, but it does have a feature called autoplay that usually minimizes interruptions. In today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to enable autoplay and explain the difference so you know what to expect. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First thing first, you should go and open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, log in into your correct account, then tap the profile or any three-dot menu so you can access the settings or the icon. Find autoplay, scroll down through the settings menu, look for the autoplay section or toggle. On some versions it might be enter playback settings, then enable autoplay. Toggle autoplay to the on position. When enabled, Amazon Music will automatically play similar songs, albums or any podcast episodes when your current music ends. So what autoplay actually does? It reduces the silence between the end of your playlist, album, and the next, basically suggested content. It creates a continuous listening experience without you having to pick the next thing, if you know what I mean. It also works best when you are listening to playlists or any stations. So what autoplay actually does not do, it does not eliminate gaps between songs within the same album or playlist. It also does not provide true gapless playback where track ending and beginnings overlap, so it simply queues up more music after your current selection ends. And that was it for today, so thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.